Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by wiring input to code, choose your input source, and make a clear handler. Create an enum or constants for keys and modifier combos so you avoid magic strings. Then instantiate a centralized input manager class with public events or delegates for actions. Once done, register a listener method from your UI or game object to the manager's event. This gets you immediate, typed access to key presses and lets you focus on mapping keys to behaviors rather than low-level input plumbing. You now map keys to actions with a lookup structure. Define an actions struct or record that stores key, modifiers, callback delegate, and repeat policy. Hold those in a dictionary keyed by a key combo type for O1 resolution. When an input event fires, build the key combo and try a lookup. Invoke the callback if found. Make sure to support runtime remapping by exposing a register/unregister API, and persist bindings to JSON or application settings for later restore. You finish by handling edge cases and persistence. Implement debounce and repeat delay logic, and ensure input only responds when your window or control has focus. This prevents accidental global triggers. Provide a remapping UI that detects and validates conflicts before committing changes. Once a user accepts, serialize bindings to disk and support reset defaults plus import/export. If things go wrong, check focus, event subscription duplicates, and serialized binding mismatches. Those are the most common failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.